Welcome back. To Expert Crypto, Mike is unmuted. We're good to go. But we are seeing a large push on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's sitting above 54. Probably going to push back down to 53. It's pumped up quite a lot today. We haven't seen this in quite a while. We have to be able to look at things that are good to buy, look at things that are good buys right now, and really take advantage of it. I hope you guys bought in with the majority of your portfolio earlier this week. As we're showing support that we're not going to go back down below 50. We're probably not going to go back down below 50 ever again, guys. I really do not see that as being possible. And there's quite a lot of great coins to get into now. We're going to see these small caps start to take off today and tomorrow, and we're going to see a lot of these mid caps taking off today. And it's really a great time, guys, to be in crypto right now. It's looking pretty good. But like I said, look at this daily candle for Bitcoin. We haven't had a daily candle this big in the past couple months. Since February, we haven't had a candle this big. And every time that we've had a candle this big, it's been bullish after. So I do see a lot of potential in Bitcoin over the next couple days. We're really going to see a lot of gains over this course of time. So it's looking good, guys. It's looking good for sure. But yeah, like I said, we have Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin by 17%. There was a few things that did take dips. A lot of things have pumped up so much right now that they're just taking a little breather. Nothing too consistent or inconsistent with what happens when something's pumping up this much. But it is looking like quite the opportunity right now to be taking profits on a few of these things. I really see Bitcoin pushing around 57 to 58. Probably by the end of this month, maybe 60. We'll have to see, and it really will affect the price of a lot of these altcoins as we're seeing right now. And I'm gonna go over a few things that I bought that I really recommend you guys buying. First of all, we have Polygon back over 41% up on the day. That was a very good buy that we had a couple days ago. We're probably let's see where it was on the dip. I mean, I think I actually have it up here. Let me see. I might not have Matic USDT. Here we go. All right, we'll switch to Matic real quick. But look at this candle on Matic right here. You guys haven't seen a candle this big all the way since March 10th, and I really do see Matic being able to really push off and maybe hit around $1 within the next day or two. But we're going to see a little bit of a pullback. You don't see a 40% candle or a 60% candle or 80% candle without some pullback, especially when it comes to these mid caps. I mean, that's a pretty impressive candle. A lot of faith into Matic, guys. A lot of faith into Matic. And I just wanna let you guys know that I'm gonna be going over some small caps in this video. I'm kind of focusing on these small caps. I'm kind of going to be doing that all day today. I'm going to keep my money and here, let me show you exactly what I'm keeping my money in. I'm really bullish on Solana still. You guys saw this pullback that we just had, and I mean, look at this compared to BTC. We would have been up around let me see. This was the buy zone that we initiated at. But we would be up around 112%. Pretty good for a few days, if you ask me. And we're seeing a little bit of a pullback, but I do see this going up to all-time highs just because Bitcoin is going to keep on pushing on, or at least that's what it's looking at doing. And we saw Solana really take off before even Bitcoin took off. So I think people are just taking profits right now, but you're going to see a lot of people funneling into Solana after we had this little breather today. This candle is looking bullish in my opinion. I do see it bouncing back upwards with some momentum. So I would recommend you guys putting some of your profits into Solana for a long-term hold. Let me go into KSM as well. Let's see if I could find KSM. I might not have it on here. Yeah, here it is. So KSM was extremely undervalued. I've been saying this for a while. Anything under $500 for KSM is a complete deal. And KSM was even sitting around, I believe, under 300. for a little bit. I definitely took advantage of that. I'm a big proponent of KSM and exactly what they're offering. They're going to be here for a long time, guys. They're very large into the blockchain ecosystem. They're going to have a lot of stuff occurring in that. And I do see this continuing to pump the next few days. You're not going to see this one slow down anytime soon. It's probably going to hit around $500 before you know it. That's one of my confident plays for sure. We even saw ADA really take off to around 8%. You guys don't see ADA move too much, but every time we see ADA get around 40, 140, 150, there's always going to be a little dip. So don't be prepared for anything too special to happen with ADA. It is indeed pumping though right now. They just need to come out with more stuff. They do have a smart contract thing that or a smart contract announcement that they're going to make in a few weeks. I do see that pushing up their price to maybe stay above 150. I know a lot of you guys are holding ADA. A lot of you guys love ADA. I love them, but I'm not going to hold on to them for just a 30 or 40% gain during this type of event that we're going through. But yeah, you are going to be able to get 30 to 40% easily in ADA, I would say, over the next course of 2 weeks. So yeah, those are good gains, guys. Those are good gains. All right. And I'm bullish on Link as well. This is the buy zone for Link. I do believe that it's time to get some more Link into my system. I'm going to be buying some more Link for sure. I bought some earlier today, but they've been really stagnant around where they're at right now. But this is it compared to BTC. Just because BTC has been up a little bit, I'm buying them in the BTC market. So I suggest you guys doing that, especially during the time we're right now. BTC could be a little bit stagnant. That wouldn't surprise me. We've seen how it can bounce back down, but I do think if it bounces back down a couple thousand, we're going to see upwards momentum from there. But that's not really going to scare the market too much, guys. A $1,000 or $2,000 downward movement. You guys are going to see a lot of buys that are going to be happening with these altcoins, and no one's really going to be pulling out at this point. We have built support, I believe, around 52 or 53. And that's all I said. All we need to do is build support around 52 or 53, and we're looking very, very well. And another one that I'm very bullish on in the short term is RSR. I just signed a new account for this, and I don't have anything organized, so forgive me. Here we go. Yeah, I do see RSR pushing all-time highs, probably within the next week or two at least. I do see them hitting around 16 cents. And you're like, oh, why do you say 16 cents? Well, the momentum that has showed with RSR is it keeps on pushing upwards. We'll have a push. We'll have a push. We'll have a push. And right now we're consolidating a little bit around 82 cents. But I really do see them pushing at least 15 cents to be conservative with this. I'm not gonna go too deep into the technical analysis, but you guys don't need too much technical analysis, especially when there's a push in Bitcoin. You guys might think that's crazy. You guys might be like, oh, all these other YouTubers do technical analysis, man. Like, why? I mean, it's confusing to you guys. I know a lot of you guys are new, but whenever Bitcoin moves like this, and whenever these coins have already hit all-time highs and they're showing upwards momentum, it does look good, guys. I mean, look how low it is on the RSI. And if it reaches around 76, we're probably going to see, like I said, around a 15 cent RSR very soon. Very bullish on RSR on the long term. They're really going to be big in the crypto sphere, I guess you could say. XRP as well. XRP has a large candle today, guys. Look at this. You don't see this ever with XRP. This was almost as large as some of the candles that we saw when the lawyer situation unfolded. I am bullish on XRP short term. But I do think that they're going to even out, or they're not going to continue to push. They're not going to go over $2 for quite a long time. I could see a 175 XRP for sure, but nothing over $2, guys. It really needs Bitcoin to push probably over 65 for that in order to happen, in my opinion. A lot of people are reaccumulating some XRP, though. It is a great long-term hold. Going to be consistent. Going to be staying here forever. So Atom as well, or Cosmos, whatever you want to say, their ecosystem is absolutely fantastic as well. And as you guys can see, they had a large movement upwards in this candle today. So has basically everything that that's pretty good. Okay, so I know I'm just kind of repeating myself like, oh, everything's going up, but it is. Okay, everything's going up because it is. And this is all having to do with Bitcoin, and investors are getting more confident now because Bitcoin is showing that support level, and it is looking good. Yeah, guys, everything is bullish. I'm loving it. Yeah, right. I mean, everything is bullish, like it is. I mean, it's a great day, but you do get these days once in a while. It makes those bad days feel a little bit not as bad. I mean, you guys still got to prepare for the bad days that are going to be ahead of us. They're going to come soon. I mean, what I mean by soon is we've had a dip every single month, so might as well enjoy these though. It's looking good. But yeah, the support that I have is around 53 support. You guys are going to see around a 20 to 30% run up in basically everything by the end of this week, if it holds above there for sure. And all these alts are going to start consolidating around where they were when it was around 64 to 65. It's just the Bitcoin dominance is it's going up, but it's obviously going to be spreading around to these other alts. And I really do see a lot of people investing into these alts. I mean, it's great to see. It's great to see that. And oh my gosh, guys, I didn't go over this one yet, but look at this Matic candle, guys. Look at this Matic candle. We didn't see a candle like this for at least the past month. This was March 9th or March 12th when we saw this candle right here. And I do see a little pullback coming soon. Matic is a great company. They're going to be developing a bunch of systems that are going to be implemented into Bitcoin and Ethereum purchasing, and they're going to be big in the future. But when something pumps up this much, you guys have to understand, take your profits. You guys see every time we've had a candle this large, you guys see this pullback right here. This is probably around a 50% pullback from the top of this candle, and I do not see that changing. I do not see that making a difference. This is just how crypto works. Things pump up, people take profits, and then they move them into mid caps or small caps, or they put them in the stable coins. So that's just a little summary on that. Yeah, but everything is looking very, very good right now. Very good. So here's AAVE against Ethereum. I actually shouldn't have that against Ethereum. Like I said, I'm a little sloppy right now, guys. Don't worry. This is banned against Bitcoin. I would really recommend you guys picking up some band as well. It's in the accumulation zone for me. I do see this outperforming Bitcoin right now, and I want to see at least 100% return before when I get rid of this. Probably going to take a week or so, a week or two, I think, for that 100% if Bitcoin holds. And we're really wanting Bitcoin to stay a little flat-sided. I don't see it running up too much from right now. We saw the support wall of investors holding around 48, 49, 47, and I feel like right now it's just going to stay a little stagnant. We've had the pump today. I mean, it can pump up more, but I feel like people are gonna be relaxing the next day or two. That's just my prediction though, and we've seen that happen in the past. But the more Bitcoin relaxes, the better it is for alts, because they'll have more time to accumulate more and get ready for the next Bitcoin momentum swing, I guess you can say. And yeah, if you guys look at, we have a 51 dominance right now for BTC. This is one of the, no, I guess we've kind of been hanging around 51, 52, 50. That's great to see. So I'll alphabetize them, right? Settings. That's fine. I'll figure that out later. But yeah, I really do like everything right now. 1 inch as well. We're going to see 1 inch break all-time highs very soon. It's a great idea for you guys to really be holding on to stable coins. Like I said, these dips do happen. Everything's looking great though. I'm going to go through some other top gainers that are going to be important, or some things that I think will pump up like probably 30 or 40%. You guys are going to see basically everything that took losses over the past week. If you guys had something that took a loss and you're still holding it, just wait a week or two. Bitcoin holds 53. You guys are going to be a-okay. You guys are going to be in the green on most of those. And the great thing about that is Bitcoin won't even need to go to 60 to 65 for you to be positive on a lot of these. If you were holding them through this dip or whatever that happened, through this 27% dip that happened. Yes, I think it was 27% on the dot. That's a big dip, guys. We've had a 31%, but this is the second biggest dip we've had this year. But we haven't seen a pullback in alts or a rebuy into alts that was this strong. So this really shows a lot of strength for alts, especially with Bitcoin moving forward. But I do think there's going to be a big dip with alts after Bitcoin gets around 70 to 65, just because of the amount of funds that are going into these alts. And the market dominance is not going to stay like this forever, but it is looking very good right now. But that might be like a month away, so just saying. So one of my favorite ones that I'm looking at on this chart right now definitely has to be FTM, guys. I really do see FTM being able to go up at least a couple 100% over the next few weeks. I did a lot more research on them while I was gone. I did a lot of buys as well. I bought around I believe like 30 more coins. I just kept on looking for good positions to buy in at, especially with just doing a little bit of technical analysis, not too much technical analysis. I'm a information trader, and I guarantee you I'm probably going to be more successful than 95% of these technical analysis traders. You guys have to use technical analysis a little bit, but you mainly have to be using information. Like, you got to figure out where the dip is, not hard. Where did it break support? Where's a good buying spot? Put your buying spot in, buy it there, and then set a take profit, and you guys will be a lot more successful, a lot more educated in that space as well. So waves as well. I actually sold my position on waves. I really do like how they're in the Solana and the Solana ecosystem, but yet again, they have pumped up quite a lot. And I'm looking for a rebuy into them if they do drop down around 10 to 20%, because they haven't had this large of a run up in quite a while. So I could see that as a possibility. Would you say adios? Okay. Do I advise crypto banter? I mean, you guys have to understand. You guys could watch as many people as you want on YouTube. I mean, I don't go against it. I would advise watching anyone, but just be careful when you buy. A lot of these YouTubers will give you 1 coin to buy, or they'll give you 2 coins to buy. And what happens is, if you don't watch that video right away, you're going to be left in the dust. You guys are going to have a 30% pump up or a 40% pump up. And then when you buy in, there could be a pullback or there could be a dip. I'm not saying that's happens every single time, but sometimes you guys will see that. Yeah, I mean, not the worst case scenario, guys. Yeah, I do like audio. I do. It's just the main fact that I have is their circulating supply, but yet again, they would really probably be able to pull off I'm not going to say a 5x, probably a 3 to 4x. I do like them. I am bullish on anything in the Solana ecosystem, especially with the untapped market of the music NFT, I guess you could say, site, or the NFTs in crypto. With music, there's going to be a lot of people doing that, especially Eternity Chain's going to get into music very soon. And I might accumulate some more Eternity Chain. I kind of hate on them a little bit just because of how pumped up they got. They got to around $74, guys. It did not make sense. That had a lot to do with BitBoy Crypto pumping them up. Like I said, these YouTubers have a lot of strength on the market, guys. You guys don't know, but hype is almost everything. Hype is very, very, very important in the market, guys. Being able to follow hype is a great thing to do. Like, I'll have like a bot that I have set up in a Discord, and whenever a YouTuber will post a video or try and sell a coin, I'll buy it right away and then make an easy 20 to 30% gains, almost guaranteed, if you guys catch some of these big YouTubers shilling out their coins. It's a great idea. All right, we'll go over some HDR. I'm bullish on HDR. I really do like HDR. I'm probably gonna go over a few things and look for some good buying opportunities again. Up 20%. It didn't really move too much. I do see it breaking all-time highs, guys. Like I said, I have an HDR selling page for you guys, so you guys are gonna be like, "Ooh, I want some HDR." I showed this earlier in another stream. I'm gonna try and stay away from that. We're gonna do a little different stream. I will go over some other things as well. But HDR looks very, very bullish compared to Solana, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot, Cardano, and Tron. They're 10 times bigger than them. They're some of them are even 20 times bigger than them. And the only thing that Hather has to compete with is Solana's transactions per second. That's why I'm so bullish on Solana. Look at their fees and look at their transactions per second. That is something that is the main driving factor behind their price. And compare this to everything else, Solana as well. HDR and Sol, very good buys, guys. Very good buys, both of these. And I really do like to kind of show this a little bit off, but yeah, I've showed this before, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Yeah, but HDR is very undervalued. I would almost say they're like 1, but Harmony are 1, but they're just a little bit lower market cap and newer. Make sure to hit that like button, guys. Smash that like button. Cringe. So we have yeah. I'm just kind of going over the same thing there. Yeah, VET, by the way, a lot of you guys ask about VeChain. Very bullish on VeChain. $1 VeChain is going to happen within the end of this altcoin season for sure. $1 VeChain, you guys are going to be able to see it if you're in crypto for the next like probably 4 or 5 months, 6 months maybe. But a lot of things are going to 5x. I feel like if Bitcoin keeps on rising in the top 10, that's just how stuff works. And we're going to be able to witness that. We just gotta hope that these investors keep on buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been showing a lot of support around 60 to 65. I'm going to talk about the long term on Bitcoin because this is about the long term on your altcoins. All right. If Bitcoin can't break 60 to 65, the most you're going to see your altcoins move up in this altcoin season is probably going to be, I would say 5x for a lot of these high caps that have already been here for a while. So that's a given, I guess. Because we really don't see a lot of 20 or 30 or 40 X's unless Bitcoin moves up around 20 to 30%. And that's a given, or around, I would say 40%. These are just trends that you can notice if you do crypto that long. So those are good things for you guys to maybe write down or remember, because this is some stuff I feel like people do not talk about. People do not talk about or understand how the market moves towards Bitcoin. It always gravitates towards Bitcoin. And there's certain patterns that have happened this year that we have not seen ever, which is Bitcoin going up 1 or 2%. We've seen these alts go up 30, 40%. And that's a great reason why you guys have to keep some stable coins in your portfolio at all times, because if there's a dip and something goes down 40, 50%, that's an easy way to make back those gains and supply or hold on to safety. So last time altcoin season only lasted 1 month. So I do think it's going to last longer than that. I'm not trying to scare you. But yeah, I think it'll last a few months, at least 3 or 4 months. It's just when Bitcoin remains, when Bitcoin gets more dominant, that's basically going to be the end of it. So, but it could still be a bull market. All right. Altcoin season just means an explosion in altcoins. It doesn't mean necessarily that it's going to be a bear market, right? No one said that, but we said that it's just when altcoins explode. All right. It's not technically, I would say, just a bear market. It's not. We've been in a bull market this entire time, but we haven't been in an altcoin season market. I would say 2020, coming into 2021, we could call it an altcoin season market, in my opinion, but some people beg to differ because everything just blew up then. Yeah, but we see Harmony right here. Harmony's making a nice breakout. I do see it consolidating or dropping down a bit, and then we're gonna see it run up in the next few days. That's how normally Harmony works, and yeah, it's gonna be breaking all-time highs for sure. People are really bearish on Harmony all the time. They bash their marketing, their advertising, and I do not blame them. But I do like Harmony, guys. I mean, look at the RSI though; it is breaking out soon. It would probably be a good time for you guys to sell it. Maybe if it goes up. I have my sell target, I believe, around 18 cents or 17 cents. But that's a little bit of a stretch for you guys. I mean, I am bullish on Harmony. But we need to have them slow down a little bit, kick off the brakes if they really want to be able to pull off a 2x within the next couple days, next week. It's all about long term, though. You guys got to be able to hold long term. You guys got to be able to be patient, to have a strategy, to be strict. What are you trying to sell? What are you realistically trying to sell? We all want a 20x. We all want a 10x. But you can't do that in a month, buddy. You can't do that in a week, buddy. Okay. You guys gotta make realistic stop losses and take profits. Yeah, it's great to see everything up like over 5%. We have days like this. There's still quite a lot of coins too in USDC, or in USDC as well. We're gonna probably see this go negative tomorrow. I think people are just a little bit scared. They're waiting for a little dip, a little correction, and we do have Bitcoin hovering over 54. Now it's at 53. Nothing really big to worry about there. I just want to let you guys know that we are in safe territory. We are in the safety territory of around 53, 52. It won't break underneath that, and if it does, we're not we're not in unsafe territory, okay? Anything above 50, which I don't see it dropping below 50, guys. If it drops below 50, that's when you guys will probably start to worry, but the chances of that happening are almost slim to none as of right now. There's not a lot of shorting going on to around under 50. People are not going to be able to short that again. They got scared. A lot of people were trying to short Bitcoin all the way down to the 45s, but the retail investors liquidated quite a lot of people, and I do not see those people trying that out again. So I do not see Bitcoin going under 50. People get, I mean, imagine getting all your money liquidated, or the majority of your money liquidated off of a trade. You guys do not want to do that trade again. That's going to scare off a lot of these people from shorting that below then. That's why I think a lot of these sells and buys are happening. People are just, they get liquidated and then you get scared. Yeah, nice thumbnail. Yeah, the editor did good, guys. I think it's pretty funny. All right. I'm going to go through ZCX real quick. I just want to check the price. I don't have it up on one of my monitors. I did break 2 monitors yesterday, guys. Not the best. It fell off. I have like the monitor set up and it fell off. You guys probably don't care, but yeah, kind of tragic. All right, yeah, I would suggest looking into this one. I've been bullish on them for a while. I do see them hitting above $10 by the end of the year, but I'm a little selfish, guys. I'm showing you something that I own IDO allocations in, so I'm a little selfish for doing that. Sorry, guys. Yeah, but it is bullish. Going to be one of the biggest dexes, in my opinion. Will be top 100. Their fully diluted market cap is large though, so be careful. All right, what other dexes should I look into? Band, Injection, INJ. I think I have them up here. Let's see where INJ is at. They have INJ. Yeah, we'll look into them. I am bullish on Injection as well. Who isn't bullish on Injection, guys? Who isn't? Their RSI is not looking the best, but yet again, they do have a couple of events coming out in the next week or two. So do like Injection protocol. If you guys do not know what they are, they're going to be a very powerful DEX in the near future. There's a lot of DEXs that need work. Speaking of DEXs, I'm looking at Cake real quick. But yeah, you guys have to be invested into some DEXs, okay? DEXs are going to be absolutely mandatory to have in your portfolio if you guys do not already. And we're already up a lot on Cake. I would consider taking profits around $40. I'm going to take profits at $40, $45, and $50. If not, I'm going to keep the rest of my funds in there, and that's probably for the next week or two. I see that panning out. But yeah, you guys got to be taking profits. You guys got to set your take profit TP or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, but I do see Cake being able to push 40 for sure within the next week or two. It is consolidating, and when you see something consolidating like this, as long as it doesn't take too large of a dip and Bitcoin stays above, you guys are going to see it take off. We don't need to do any technical analysis for us to figure that out, okay? Not hard. I don't need to draw lines and whatever. I mean, I will teach you guys technical analysis for sure. I just figure a lot of you guys are new, and some of you guys might know it more, but it doesn't really it's not going to help you guys in the long run. The new people and the old people, I mean the short term. Not going to get into it. Okay, but I do see DOT being very bullish as well in the next week or two. They do have an event coming where they're going to have a bunch of people getting together and talking. And you know who's going to be there? Zero as well. Zero Exchange, the DEX I always talk about. They're going to be there. It's going to happen, I believe, in 2 days. I think I have it pulled up on Twitter. Let's see. Yeah, it's on Moonbeam. Moonbeam Network is going to have Alex Oren from IDEX and Edmund Hillary from Zero Exchange, 11:15 a.m. And this is going to be, I believe, tomorrow. So we're probably going to see Zero release some stuff. That'll be nice to finally get. I have talked to their CEO, great guy, but he's definitely probably going to be releasing some stuff to the public then. So we're probably going to see the price do a little run up if it gets some hype. Probably expect Zero to do that as well. Yeah, we like RSR, we like XRP short term. You guys are just going to see a lot of these start to consolidate. A few of these are gonna take off if they haven't already. But there's been a lot of gains already in the market, and I feel like it needs a little breather right now. We normally don't see these back-to-back pumps very quickly without Bitcoin going over like another 3 or 4%, 2% at least. But yeah, it's looking great, guys. Not much else I can say. We could go over some altcoin gems now and see what the move is with those. I mean, I would definitely be taking profits if I were you guys, and you guys could probably move them into gems. I mean, once Bitcoin goes over 55 and stays over 55, even if it stays over 53, we're going to see a large movement in these smaller caps than we have over the past week or two. We've seen these smaller caps absolutely tank because people are scared. People are going a little bit crazy right now, and they don't want to hold something and wait a few weeks. They didn't know if they had to wait a month. They didn't know if they had to wait 18 days. So that's why you guys see people pulling out of small caps when we have crashes like that. Yeah. So we have the market cap around up 7% today, guys. Up 7%. When the whole market's up 7%, great day, guys. Great day. Okay. I guess we could go into zero, and then we'll go into some of my favorite. Oh, this isn't zero, guys. Did not go up to 51 cents. Don't buy this one. That'd have been nice if it did. We're up 10% at 25 cents. And I do see this breaking all-time highs very soon. It's just a matter of time. But yeah, we had a nice dip on zero. You guys probably could accumulated some more. And their volume's up 94% in the past 24 hours. A lot of people are looking into them, probably looking at good spots to buy. But I do see this one being very bullish in the short and long term, just because they have that event coming out tomorrow, and they're going to be releasing a lot of important information. They're a decentralized exchange, and they're also a SEX through AVAX Avalanche ecosystem, which, if you're not familiar with AVAX, great company. Avalanche ecosystem is amazing, and Zero is one of those companies that's going to be through them. Very fast transaction times, very fast transaction speeds, and just going to be an overall great DEX, and they have a lot of other stuff coming up. Not more to be said on Zero. We have Bitcoin hanging around 53 now. Not a big deal. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, it's looking good, guys. It's looking good for sure. All right, let's see what you guys are saying. Yeah, make sure to subscribe and like the video. All right. Looking okay today. Yeah, it is. Anchor estimate price. I can't really estimate Anchor. I'm not the biggest Anchor fan, but they're probably up today, and I would probably say everything could at least do a 2 to 3x minimum. It just matters if Bitcoin can push 70k or that around that price range, 65 to 75. You guys are going to see everything probably pull at least a 2x off. All these altcoins, yeah. Well, with the market dominance effect, probably wouldn't be a bad thing to say about it, because once Bitcoin remains more dominant, you guys got to think all the money that's pouring into Bitcoin is kind of spreading around. Let's say someone puts 100% into the market, right? Chances are they're putting 50% into Bitcoin, 14.4% into Ethereum, and then that other percentage of their portfolio, the other 36% of their portfolio, or 35% of their portfolio, is going to be going into these alts, right? And that's a large percent, guys. You have to understand. With all the institutional money, that's a large percent. Yeah, bands. Yeah, buy band now. I would say band's at a good point to buy. Let's check. Oh, geez, guys, what did I do? What did I do? Yeah, I'd say band's at it. This is buying bands through Bitcoin, though. Remember that, buying bands through Bitcoin, through the Bitcoin perpetual market. And what else? Reef. I do have Reef pulled up as well. I think Reef's at a good point right now to probably buy some. I believe their circulating supply is the only thing that I'm worried about. Let me pull it up, but they do have Polkadot holding some tokens, but that scares off a lot of investors still. Even though Polkadot's holding, oh no, they don't. They have a great circulating supply. Never mind, must be something else. But yeah, I am bullish on a Reef. I do own some. For some reason, I thought they had like 5 or 10% circulating supply. I've went over them a lot too, but I really do see them. Let's see where their all-time high was, around 5. All right, so they have around 50% to go for their all-time high, but look at this volume ever since it's kind of been out. Yeah, it's looking good, guys. It's looking good. I mean, look at this wick, though, from the top. We saw a Reef around 2.9. Dang. Yeah, but I am bullish on Reef. Reef's a great company, guys. I'm going to show you their website. Guys, just sit back and relax. And let me show you, like, this website is beautiful. I'm kind of, like, weird, but I'm telling you guys, this website's beautiful. Well constructed, and if you see a well constructed company or a website like this, you can kind of relate it to their All right, no, you can't. You can never do that, guys. I'm sorry for saying that, but sometimes it can relate to that. But they're actually in a great industry. They're in DeFi. They're powered by Polkadot. They have RC20 tokens, NFTs, liquidity bridges, dexes, and AMs, stable coins, and money markets. They're in a lot of stuff, guys. They're completely undervalued, and I do love their website. Sorry for being a little weird about it. Sometimes you just gotta enjoy the website a little bit. Manic, yeah, we've been over Manic a little bit. Waves is up 42%. That is crazy, guys. Waves is actually pumping. I probably shouldn't have sold them, but we'll see. I do see them consolidating though, guys. Look at, so before the crashes, okay, before the crashes, we were chilling April 9th. We were having a great old Gandhi day on April 9th, and Wave still didn't push over whatever it was. We're at all-time highs right now with Bitcoin, not even close to where it's at. This would never happen if we were not in altcoin season. That's just the thing I'm trying to get across. And look how small the volume is too. Look how many people are just buying this. I did keep half of it in there. I took half of my profits, guys. Don't worry. I just was up kind of a significant amount from the dip on Waves. And like I said, I guess the smart contracts is going to be very large for them. I really don't know too much about their smart contracts, so I don't want to say anything that could be wrong about them. If you do, let me look into them, because they are up 41%. You guys probably want to know. You guys probably want to know, and I probably should know. All right, I can't get to their website. All right. Yeah, it's important to know the technicals and the technology behind them. Just going to throw that out there. Yeah, I know this might be boring for some of you guys, but I'm kind of interested. I am invested. Probably should know why their smart contract system is so superb that they're up 41% today, and their website seems to not be working. So I guess we'll never know. If someone can comment, that would help. Yeah, it's really good to be educated, guys. Once you figure out what are smart contracts, what is DeFi, how is a DeFi project going to be successful, how are NFTs going to be successful. I need to go over all these in a tutorial video. That's why you guys got to like and subscribe so you can see this. But I'll explain to you guys literally everything you need to know about crypto. Probably take me 10 videos max, and I'll make them all like 10 minutes. But yeah, once you know enough in crypto, you guys can judge and assess a company by yourselves. You guys don't need me. I'm gonna set you guys free like a little bird. You know, you guys can come back here once in a while, but the main goal is to get you guys educated, so you guys can watch other YouTubers. You guys can watch whatever you want. You guys can research on your own and figure out what's good and what's not good. And you guys might think that's really hard. You might be really far from it from now, but I'm telling you, you can do it. And oh yeah, KSM is still on the discount, guys. It's pushing $400. I've been shilling this thing off since $300 or under $300. KSM under $500 is indeed a discount. I still see it pumping up. It's probably going to be, I don't know, because people sleep on KSM all the time. They just don't understand the capabilities behind its blockchain and its network effect. Yeah, we guys are going to see AR. Okay, Arweave, Hot, and Hot or Hollow, and BTT, BitTorrent. They all are in the storage industry, I guess, for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and other altcoins as well. So if you guys see Arweave pumping up, you guys are going to see Hot and Hollow, or Hot Hollow, same thing. Okay, sorry. And BitTorrent following behind it. Okay, BitTorrent was down over 46%. So we've already had a large run up on BitTorrent, okay? Since the dip, we've already had a 46% run up on BitTorrent at least. It's probably up some more now. So over 50% on BitTorrent. You guys got to account the dip in for it as well. But like I said, yeah, those three follow each other in the market. You guys will see that if you look. Cosmos is kind of going a little bit bullish right now. I do love me some Cosmos. I like Cosmos Solana. AVAX and DOT, and I'm waiting for ADA's ecosystem as well. That one's going to be good, guys. But ADA does not have an ecosystem. That's what I'm saying. If you imagine not having an ecosystem like ADA does, and they're where they're at right now. They do, but they will. Okay, they will. Yeah, everything's looking pretty good. So let's go back into and really check out what I'm gonna do. I would just, if I were you guys, if you guys have buying opportunities right now, there's going to be some good things for you guys to buy. But if you don't have that much buying power right now, let's say you guys have around 10 to 5% of your portfolio being able to buy, I would probably just hold. But if you guys have more than that, I would definitely probably buy in with 5 to 10%. But there's probably going to be another dip. That's what you guys have to be careful about. A lot of things are pumped up right now. You do not want to buy at the tops. I don't want to say that. There's a few things though that I would do, and I would make sure to be doing it through the perpetual BTC market as well. Yeah, you guys want me to go over, someone said, what did you say? Do not know. Oh, Benki, yeah, very bullish on their IDO. I like Benki. BNB still has a big upside. Yeah, BNB is going to go to at least 1,000 or 2,000 by the end of the year. That's without a doubt. I remember when it pushed up to $500, everyone was like, oh no, it's going back down. Went back down, it consolidated, shot back up, and now we're going to see pump off. They're a absolute monopoly, BNB. If you guys don't know BNB's potential, it's a monopoly, guys. For sure. For sure. Total monopoly. Yeah. Let me check. Okay, yeah. So you guys want to know Chainlink as well. There's some of these that I'll go over. Most of these I kind of already have. Most people that are spamming them. I will be going over these smaller altcoins, checking on them. Yeah, I bought Link from this dip though. It really hasn't consolidated as much as I would like, but Link's very bullish, guys. Their white papers 2.0 came out, so showed a lot of promising stuff in the third and fourth corner. Let's go over and look at I'm just gonna look at ERSDL just to tell some of you guys that are not here. ERSDL is probably gonna be one of the most sought after small or mid caps during this bull run. I really see it starting to trend, and I've known about this one since early November or mid-November, and I bought some then, but I really bought a lot in January once I really understood its use and its worth. And you guys have to look into this one. This one is going to be $8, $10 before you guys know it. And there's just so many good things. Their flash loans, their staking program as well. You guys got to be staking them. I'm holding them long term. So much great things about ERSDL. I'm probably going to move the largest part of my position into it. I have not taken too many profits yet. I'm up a significant amount on them, but I'm not taking any profits. I see the long term capabilities for them. So yeah, definitely add this one to your guys' list, and definitely see them being able to be very large, guys. Very large. But yeah, let me get into a few other things. All right. Where's this at? Okay. So you want me to go into DVI? Okay, we'll go into them real quick, bud. We'll go into them. I believe they're minables. What do they even do? All right, so let's see where they're at. Volume's pretty high. I've definitely looked into them. I'm not exactly sure if I remember them. I think they're kind of like a U-Trust, like a wallet on a phone or something. They're like an application. Yep, they're a wallet. Sorry, I'm just trying to refresh my memory. Accelerate adoption, digital person, blah, blah, blah. This is what everyone's trying to do through their own application. Just saying they're trying to make it easy to use. They're not the only people doing it, but if they really partner with some large companies, they could be big. But $111 million is still large for a company like this, guys. It's still large for a wallet, one app company. That's cool that they have everything in one. Their fees are probably really high though. If you have everything in one wallet, it's probably gonna be really high fees. I'm not completely sure, but that's the one thing you gotta look for. How high are their fees? Payments are slow. Divi is fast. All right, everything's getting faster, so that's good. All right, I'm not gonna look into them too much, but they are down 2%. They did bounce back a little bit, I think. Let's see. Yeah, look at these whale cells though. Yeah, their graph doesn't look too bullish, but their company could be good in the future. So that's good to see. You guys want me to go over sorry, a little bit caffeine deprived. Oh, Bondly. I haven't looked at Bondly in quite a while. I do have some allocations in Bondly. I was looking to get rid of them. I should have. Probably down quite a lot. Let's see. I was waiting for their Binance listing, guys. They were supposed to be listed on Binance, and it could have been FUD. It could have been fake news, but it's annoying. Sometimes you live and you learn. But yeah, probably going to be up with this bull run coming, and they do have utility in their NFTs. That's why I only like them. They have the most utility in their NFTs, I think. Like they'll have, let's say you collect 3 NFTs, you might get another use case through that. Like they make you want to collect more stuff. That's utility through NFTs, or you can add something else to it. Very important for you guys to know that, because you really want a company not just to make some boring old NFT marketplace like every single other one. How is it going to be different? So I did see a difference in that. Probably was wrong in that. It's not. Data's up 15%. Dang. Yeah, data's in the NFT marketplace as well. Like I said, they do more than that though, so that's why they're probably at 15%. Adam's popping off. Yeah, I did look into chain games quite a lot. I might own some. I don't think I do. Don't think I do. No, I don't. I believe they sold off really heavily. That might be a different chain something. Yeah, they sold off really heavily. 8.7 to 2.6, and they went down 3x. Yeah, that's not a lot of faith in investors right there. That means there's really no big news coming out. When you see something go down by a 3x multiple like that. Not a lot of news coming out. Okay, not a lot of news coming out. And how do I know that? Well, you can tell by a graph how confident people are. SRK, the next big thing. All right, yeah, guys, I'm really bullish on SRK, Spark Point. Well, first of all, it's up 5%, guys. It's been doing really good. And if you guys look at this graph, it's not like it's being sold off. I got to show you guys my favorite team member on SRK. I'm sorry, if you guys do not know about this company, you guys need to know about this company, right? So you go to their team, and if you scroll all the way down, you guys see this Tony guy. He's a YouTuber on the YouTube space, and he got a big allocation of SRK at a discount price, and he sells it to you fans. Website's completely terrible. Their ecosystem is non-existent, and they really do nothing. So this is just an example of a really good turd coin, guys. All right, really good turd coin there. Sorry, sorry. Yeah, I'm not going to do that again, guys. Sorry about that. I see that. All right. What do I think about Reef? Ooh, great question. I love Reef. Let's look at their analytics right now. I love their website. They're beautiful in the DeFi industry. Look at this pump though. Look at this sell-off. All right. Yeah, I mean that happens sometimes, guys. That happens. I do see them reaching all-time highs. I'll see them probably pull off a 2 to 3x in the next month. Their website's beautiful, man. You're invested into a beautiful website and company. I'm sorry for getting weird about their website, but I'm gonna go through it one more time. It relaxes me a little bit going through their website. Yeah, their use case is great though. Being a substrate means that you're part of the parachain, and all these parachains are going to be big. And what Polkadot is probably doing right now is they probably have a majority of their coins locked up. I'm not sure how many it is. It's probably 20%. That's what they normally do, 20 to 30%. So there's 56% circulating supply, but there's also going to be another 20 to 30% that Polkadot is holding onto. And not a lot of people understand that, but that's what Polkadot, these parachains offer. It's great. Yeah, and I love Reef, but they just really need to they really need to be getting more coverage. They kind of died off in the news a little bit, but they're up 8% today. They're doing pretty good for a mid cap. Save planet Earth. Oh my gosh, you guys are nuts. You guys always talk about these save planet Earth things, okay? This is not going to be big. All right, I'm sorry to hurt you, but it's a meme coin. Yes, it's a charity thing, but at the same time, you guys have to understand these charity coins are they could be done not through a blockchain. They could be done just through a normal company in finance. And the only reason people are making these charity coins is to make some sort of profit, or they can pull off some sort of rug pull or whatever they want for their tokenization. So be careful. In 2017, they did this a lot. We saw a lot of scams. Not going to talk about it too much, but yeah, to be very careful with those. You could invest into it. I'm not going to tell you not to, but I would just advise you not to. Yeah, some people are gonna get gains from them, but that's really what a little Ponzi scheme is. Okay, if you don't know what a Ponzi scheme is, you're probably gonna miss out. TVL, look up TVL. Cannot find TVL. I'm not sure what that one is. All right, so like I said, going to be able to really make sure that we're staying in profit right now, because we are up around like 200% on a few of our plays from the past when was that 3 days. I mean, it is the market crash. There's a lot of Safe Moon idiots in there, guys. A lot of Safe Moon idiots in the chat. But yeah, who cares about Safe Moon, guys? Yeah, I did cash out on my leverage trades that I did yesterday. I had around 7 of them. I did one every single 1,000. I did one at 48, 47, and I even got one in at 46. I had one from 49 as well. I set those for around 53 and 54. Yeah, I don't recommend you guys doing large leverage, but with the support line that we had, I did do probably one of the largest leverages that I would ever even consider myself doing, just because of the institutional support. Yeah, we saw a line where they were buying with institutional support, guys, and this prevailed through. It wasn't too hard to see. There was a lot of FUD in the market, guys. There was quite a lot of FUD in the market, as you guys can tell. We definitely see right here. That this support level broke through, and we did have the fourth dip of this market. It was around 27%, and this happens every single month, or it has the past 4 months. That's what you guys have to understand. So yeah, I mean, it's still looking bullish as well. Look at the RSI on Bitcoin. It's still looking bullish. So that's just from the long-term perspective. But yeah, I really do recommend you guys checking that out. I'm not gonna go over any what do you call it? I'm not gonna go over any leverage trades really. Maybe I'll do some live, but that's gonna be really it. I don't want to be like the next leverage trade guy on YouTube. It's not worth it, because sometimes you do get them wrong, but I do have an 84% success rate. That's just because I do small amounts of leverage. I do not go over 5x or 4x, guys. I don't. Yeah, I have looked at Pokedex. Need to buy something real quick. Yeah. All right, so Pokedex, decentralized exchange on Polkadot. A lot of these dexes through Polkadot are gonna have some very good coding as well, because a lot of them are hard forked. Coding means they're just copying and pasting and sending the code over, but they're changing it up a little bit. But yeah, the Polkadot dexes will definitely be doing good. They did sell off in the beginning off their IDO. I didn't get allocations into that IDO, so not too excited about that. But yeah, I did try. Their circulating supply is a problem, but I do believe, like I said, because this is a substrate, you guys are going to see 20 to 30% of Polkadot holding onto their circulation of coins. So they do have an update coming. They do have a mainnet, I believe, or testnet. Yeah, I've looked into them a couple times in the past like week or so. Want me to go over Luna? All right. Yeah, Luna is definitely going to be able to reach around, I would say a 2x short term. Long term, it's definitely going to be able to go over $100. Luna is definitely undervalued, especially with their ecosystem the way it is. I think I have their ecosystem. Here it is. Yeah, here's our ecosystem. They're going to be in multiple billion-dollar industries, guys. Multiple billion-dollar industries. Yeah, it is looking good, guys. It is looking good. But from a technical analysis standpoint, they are consolidating, so that's good. Safe Mooners in the chat. Yeah. Yeah. Where's the proof for SafeMoon? The proof of SafeMoon, guys, is not a lot of people understand really what has happened in 2017 and what has happened with the majority of these hype coins, or these I guess you could say badly displayed tokens. And SafeMoon does have some sort of use case, and they do have some sort of company put together. But at the end of the day, there's a large majority of holders that is in, or that was started off in a couple wallets. I believe it was around not sure what percentage it was, but there was a large percentage. It was over 50% in a few wallets in the beginning. And what you guys can do is you could send these wallets to like 10 or 20 different wallets, and or more than that. We'll do more than that, especially if it's that large enough money. And they'll do that, and then you'll have these wallets somewhat hidden in the blockchain. You can't hide everything, but it will be somewhat hidden in the blockchain if you do this. And you've seen with the sell-offs in a lot of these meme coins is you will see a large sell-off, and you're definitely going to see one with SafeMoon soon enough, and we have as well. I mean, someone has to lose at the end of the day in these meme coins, guys. Someone has to lose. So, and more people are gonna lose than win. Yeah, I just went over Luna. Would it be, bro? I was invested in the SafeMoon in the beginning, guys. I was. And you have to realize only so much money can get poured into something that's not listed on like Robinhood or one of those networks. That's why Dogecoin's so much money. You guys have to realize that SafeMoon is not going to go above even 5 to 10 billion. What do you call it? 5 to 10 billion fully diluted market cap, and that's only because of Dogecoin was able to be listed on Robinhood. The amount of investors that are on Robinhood that would invest into something like Dogecoin is quite a lot. So you're going to need to see a lot more listings with SafeMoon for it to even experience anything. Yeah, BPro had a sell-off, so we're seeing some sell-offs because they got accused of scamming the past couple of months, or the past 2 weeks. So that's why you guys see that drop. It is consolidating. I'm more bullish on Wink though. Yeah, we could. I'm probably gonna go through some more coins that I bought today. I bought around, yeah, like I said, I bought around probably 30 to 40 people, or 30 to 40 coins today. And Phoenix Day, I was one of them. This was the smallest cap one I bought. I'm not gonna stay on it long, but I am a little bit bullish on it. You guys could look into that one more. I'm never gonna really shill off a small coin. Sol, Rune, AVAX, ZCX, ERSDL. Those are all some buys that I would wait for dips on, but I bought those earlier today. Those are just words, bro. Where's the proof? There's a lot of proof, or there's a lot of evidence you can use just from past accusations and past companies with SafeMoon, guys. Not a lot of you people have been here this long to realize that there's really no way for a company like SafeMoon to get exactly above where people think it is going to get. You guys have seen SafeMoon go up 20,000%, 30,000%, whatever it was, and you're not going to be able to see it go above 5 to 10 billion fully diluted market cap. There's going to be sell-offs, guys, and there's really nothing else to say about it. I mean, there's a lot better investments than SafeMoon. It's just it's a little scammy, guys. There's a lot of scammy stuff behind it. You guys are gonna see. Just wait. FTM. Yeah, I do like FTM though. FTM's a very, very, very good put together project through Solana. Yeah, the pullback on this one's looking good though. Pullback's looking good on this one. We were talking about this one yesterday. It's up a lot, guys. Up a lot. Looking good. All right, there we go. Should be able to block out this chat. Hold up. Boom. And you guys have to understand that there's been times too where everyone thought something was okay and everything, and they pulled off a scam, guys. And I'm just saying that a lot of you guys don't want to think that way. A lot of you guys do not want to you guys don't want to even think of the possibility that it's a Ponzi scheme or that it's some sort of a scam in SafeMoon. But I mean, someone has to lose, right? Someone's got to lose. Someone's got to lose. All right, give me 1 second. What's my price prediction on Sol? Could definitely reach $100, but you guys really need to make sure. You guys really need to make sure that you catch it off a dip because it did pump up. But right now it's consolidating. Their ecosystem is going to be very big in the future. They're involved in quite a lot of different industries. You guys will see that. Very bullish on Solana. We've been talking about them for the past couple of days, especially watching them closely. You think Dot is a good hold? Yeah, Dot's good. Dot's good. I know it's crazy to think that this many people, this many people could get into this SafeMoon community. I didn't know there was a SafeMoon community that was this washed. It's kind of funny. All right, so what we're really looking for, right now though is we're trying to find what is BTC going to do in the next day or two. We're looking for it to stay above 53, 52, and if it pushes to 55 or 56, we're going to see probably a 20 to 30% run up. So that'll be nice. Short-term Matic predictions. It's gonna reconsolidate. It hasn't pushed this much. And not done so. Go over Tron. Here's Tron. Tron's DeFi and DApp landscape. It is looking very good, guys. It's looking good. It's looking good. I do see them putting going to at least 20 cents in the short term. I did donate $20,000 to charity because they didn't go to 20 cents. I've mentioned that already, but yeah, I mean, I saw them going to 20 cents, and in the short term, last week before the dip happened, wasn't able to do that. Their ecosystem is just phenomenal, guys. I really do like it, really do. All right. Price predictions with Harmony. It's hard to do a price prediction on a Harmony, especially with what has happened, with what has happened with them in the past. And you guys got to understand that Harmony is definitely in for a run upwards because of its terrible marketing. It has some of the fastest transaction time and the fastest what was it? Fastest price or lowest price. Sorry guys, getting a little stuttery. What do I think about Voyager? I think Voyager is gonna be gonna keep on growing. There's a lot of these boomer dexes or whatever you want to call them. They're not really dexes, but it makes it easier for people to use them. So I do see them being big. Do see them still growing. Wait, what's your price prediction on it if it's not really a scam? B-Pro? B-Pro will be, I mean, it's hard to tell because sometimes this will stick with a company for months, guys. Sometimes this will stick with a company for months. So you really don't have like, I can't really give an accurate price prediction on B-Pro. Yeah, I mean, it would be a good time to hold it right now, all right? It really would. Really would. What's the best 100 coins to donate right now in the short term? 100 coins. It's probably going to be quite a lot of them. I mean, I've kind of went through maybe a lot. I don't know. This is another meme coin, safe BTC. No. Yeah, Manacles continue to pump once it consolidates, guys. It will. It will. Definitely will. Yeah, we just had a gang of safe mooners come through this channel. I was trying to like figure out how to get rid of them. Now we're good. All right, I'm gonna look at what's good to buy right now. All right, so let's get into what we're gonna look through Matic. Here it is. I mean, look at this candle. You not see candles like this with Matic almost ever. Last time we've had a candle, it shot down half. I do see it probably reconsolidating, staying fairly straight, and then it's gonna pull back up after that. We just need to wait for BTC to see what it really is doing, guys. We really do. Yeah, but everything in the market right now is looking great. So we just need to see exactly what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen with Bitcoin. Yeah, make sure to like the video, guys. We got some dislikes. You guys gotta pump it up with likes. Yeah, the IDOs that I'm participating in, I'm really only focusing on six or seven right now. Can you please sit down with Mr. Crypto? And who's Mr. Crypto? Not sure who that is. You're probably talking about my topic on SafeMoon. Well, my topic on SafeMoon isn't too much of a difference. I said, I mean, I've talked about, I think I talked to that guy. No, let me check. Maybe. Oh no, that was a different guy. I'm not sure that guy is. But hey man, I came across your channel, the most recent drop, and I've been really enjoying your live streams and your feedback on the market. I'm so rocky rock. What are your thoughts on KuCoin? Bullish on KuCoin. I mean, any single DEX that is in this ecosystem right now is gonna thrive, especially KuCoin. KuCoin offers a lot of coins that are smaller. All right, a lot of these smaller coins, and that gives them the opportunity to make a site that's easy to use. It's easy to use. And also that it is open to basically everyone that wants to use it. So you guys are really need to find DEXs that are simple to use and invest in those. That's why I think Voyager coin will be bullish as well as KuCoin. Yeah, the UBX rip is real. I've been accumulating ever since it dropped down. I did not see this one dropping down so much. We're up 98%, guys. Wow. Look at this, guys. You see that faith? You guys should have been buying this on the dips. Very good. See that this one up 98%. They do have a lot of use case, guys. They really do. Dang. Octane's went up 7x, and I ended up selling it. It did not deserve to go up 7x. I ended up selling it. So, will you tell me if this is a gem, Sateo? Yeah. I mean, that was an IDO gem. If you get it off the IDO. I'll need to pull up my IDO page. I'm not sure if I have it right now. I might. All right, yeah, but I definitely see UBX definitely being able to pull up a lot more. We were bullish on UBX. I kept on telling you guys that don't worry about it. It's gonna come back up once things get bullish. And as you guys can see, for it to go up 98% is a strong small cap. A lot of people have faith in it. A lot of people just sold it to get these to get these high cap and mid cap gains. Well, what's the hottest coins on that? Glitch. I do like Glitch. Yeah, VRA will pump back up. We're waiting for a proof of view patent. I've talked to their team a lot, and VRA just needs to pass this patent, and they need to be listed on Binance, which is probably going to happen in the next 3 to 4 months. And you guys will see at least probably a 5 to 10x. I've been invested into VRA since early 2020, and I really know their team and I really know their potential. So yes, VRA is definitely a good mid cap at this point to invest in. It's not a small cap anymore. Everything to the moon, right? Oh yeah, I know Glitch. High transaction speeds, low transaction fees, revenue sharing. Interesting. Yeah, they are pretty small. I mean, there's not too much that's separating them apart with others. They are trust swap on Launchpad. Yeah, there's not too much involved with them that's too special, but they are in a good industry, in a good sector. I'm not too familiar with them, so I can't give my full opinion on it. I would do an interview with a SafeMoon person, but right now I have better things to do, guys. That's kind of a waste of time. I know for everyone that's kind of a waste of time. All right. No need to bring any more hype to something like that. So wait, what did you want? LQTY. Is that liquidity? What do they do? Trying to think. Not sure. It might be. It's definitely liquidity, obviously. I don't think I've heard of them. They're probably under 50. Yeah. Oh, this is too small, man. I can't go under that. I can't go over them really. I'll check them out for a little second, but I can't. I don't want to show any small caps. It's too small. Too small, man. All right. Who is Matt Wallace? I'm not even sure who Matt Wallace is. The Safe Mooners are in here. Yeah, I'm not sure how the Safe Moon people got in here. It's probably some guy streaming. Imagine streaming about Safe Moon every day, guys. Imagine that. Like, imagine your life. It's a meme. Imagine watching a Safe Moon stream every day. Your life's a meme. What do you guys, refinable? Yeah, Mr. Beast is in that one. I tried to get allocations. I didn't get much really. I kind of messed up on that one, to be honest. I was a little bit late. I slept through the exact thing to get into it, but you have to understand a lot of these allocations for refinable, I didn't really talk about this too much, but they were given away to certain people as well. This one was a kind of a little bit of a sketchy giveaway for IDO allocations. At least that's what I've heard a lot about it, but I'm not going to get too deep into it. I don't want to talk anything bad about it. It is going to be very hyped up because of Mr. Beast, but I wish I was able to get into it. I'm not saying that it was sketchy per se to not get IDO allocations for it, but yeah, I'm just drop it. Just gonna drop it on that one. Yeah, there's a lot of ideas that I'm looking forward towards in this next week or so. Stream's a little bit laggy. Is the stream laggy, guys? Bingus token. It's a meme token. Meme token. Looks like one at least. Charity token, yeah. They could do charity tokens through normal things. They're just taking profits through charity tokens. Top 100 market cap coins we buy this immediate hour, or that have good entry points. A lot of pumped up already. Yeah, I would say to definitely wait to buy. We bought earlier last night, and I would recommend just to wait for another dip. There are a few things that I would say maybe banned. I'll need to look through. Actually, that's not a bad idea to look through, see if we have any good entry points. So Bitcoin dominance is around to that 51 right now. So we did have a little drop in between that. That's looking good. We want to see Bitcoin dominance as low as we can go. Yeah, this is banned on the perpetual BTC market though, because you're gonna want to buy short term. You guys want to do the BTC perpetual market right now, because a lot of stuff is gonna be down because Bitcoin has pumped up so much, and we're gonna see these alts pumping up. So this is a great time to get in on the perpetuals. Aave as well. Aave is looking good against Ethereum. I'm not gonna give too much insight on what to buy, just because everything is so pumped up right now. So just saying, everything's very pumped up right now, man. Like we're seeing let me show you the graphs real quick. We've definitely had a lot of a lot of retracements back. So it would be more advisable just to wait if you had buying power right now. If you really want to, I would wait a day, and then maybe put 5 to 10% of your buying power into it. Just have to see where it's headed, because the market cap of everything is up around 9.5%. We haven't seen that in quite a while. We have not seen that in quite a while. Yeah, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, guys. Appreciate it a lot. I need to get some coffee. I've had to like pee this entire time, guys. Here, I'll be back in a second. All right. So I would say the really only good buying points right now is definitely going to be Luna. I know that someone asked that, so yeah. I would say Luna is probably at a good buying point right now. Check out where Luna's at. I do see Luna being a good buying point for the short term, as they have a few events coming out. Luna might be down. So I know, I can't believe we just got, yeah, they're down 4%. I can't believe we just got attacked by the meme coiners. Digibyte, the thing with Digibyte is they were down quite a lot. I would have, if you guys are a Digibyte fan, I've talked about them quite a lot. Let's see, up 11%, not bad. Look at this dip though, guys. 11. Yeah, so they did pretty good out of the dip. The thing with Digibyte is there's a lot of companies that are going to be in their ecosystem, or not in their ecosystem, but in their sector, that are going to be able to take some of what they would have been able to make in profit. I see them going possibly to 2 or 3 billion market cap, maybe 4 billion. We'll have to see. I really can't give that good of a prediction on Digibyte, guys. I need to learn more about them. I'm familiar with a couple other mining companies though. Yeah, meme coins. I know. I can't believe how big the meme coin community, guys, have gotten. This really reminds me of 2017 a lot with BitConnect and a lot of these charity coins. BitConnect was a very top 5 coin at the time. Pulled the rug pull. The guy left the country. If you guys do not know this, this kind of is resembling what is happening now. This guy went on live streams. This guy went on Twitch streams. He was answering questions just like what's happening right now. And no one could tell that he owned as much as he did. And then he pulled the rug. No, yeah. What about Mana ERSDL? Mana's overvalued in my opinion. Okay, Mana is overvalued only due to the fact of use their website, use their development. I guess you could say use their actual product, and it's not the best product. It's really not. It's not that good of a product. It's really overvalued in my opinion. No, I know BTT is not a meme coin. I said BitConnect. But yeah, I do like ERSDL. ERSDL is so strong. Mark Cuban invested into them recently. When that comes out, that'll be big. That'll be big. They're up 20% today. Been talking about them for a while, guys. I do see them being big. Chinese. It's not too late to buy ERSDL now. No, it's not. It's not. I would just dollar cost average into it for sure, because it's probably going to reconsolidate. It is at all-time highs. All-time highs. Best stablecoin USDC or USDT. I'm not the biggest fan of USDT because I've been through their accusations and such. What's this at? Sorry. Yeah, I'm really just gonna hold all my positions that I have right now. I'm not gonna be putting in any more buys unless we see a dip, guys. Just letting you know that. WAS, that's the IDO coming out on 0. All right. Getting a little dry. Getting a little dry right now. Yeah, we do see a large we're gonna see a large run up with Bitcoin only due to the fact of it's only a matter of time from everything that's happened in the past 4 months. Every time we've seen a dip like this with a candle like this, there's been a large run up. The chances of this happening is probably around 80 to 90%. Not going to say it's going to happen for sure. There might be a little bit of a pullback, but nothing too large, guys. Too large. What are my top holdings? Well, it matters though. I can probably check. ERSDL is definitely going to be one of them. I bought a significant amount of them a few days ago, and I'm not shilling you guys ERSDL because I own a lot of it. I'm going to be holding it until it reaches 10x from now, and I'm not selling it till then. So, or not selling any of it till then, and I'm staking it as well. I would say HDR as well as one of my larger holdings. I do have a significant amount of pancake swap that I have to sell soon. So I'm looking at a good selling point for that. I'm going to sell it at 40, 45, and 50. Luna as well. I do own a lot of Luna and KSM. KSM's up 22%, guys. This is great to see. We were talking about how big KSM could be. You will not see KSM ever under $300 again. Never again. Okay, guys, never again. If you do, you buy some, okay? Safe Galaxy Thoughts. Probably another meme coin. Probably has terrible volume. Terrible volume. Probably has a lot of whale selling going on, like all of these other safe coins. Down 24%. Yeah. If you look at this graph right here, you could tell something's not right with this. Why would you invest in something like this? I'm not sure why, and they don't. I don't know. I don't know why you would invest in something like this when there's other projects out there. Yeah, I mean, you guys can invest into whatever you want. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm just telling you guys what I'm buying and what looks good for me. So that's about it. Um, yeah, that's the thing. I can't tell you. I mean, I don't want to. I would say there's probably a 70% chance of Bitcoin having a little bit correction, maybe going down $1,000 or $2,000 in the short term, but I would need to do a lot more research to figure that out, but that's just the guess off the top of my head, okay? I'll probably end up figuring that out after tonight, because normally we see the volatility go down a little bit tonight. Paying it forward, dude. Thanks for the dips. Check out RNDR. 155 million market cap. I have heard of them. Let me put in this little order real quick. So looking up RNDR. That's gonna be render token. Let me actually. All right. Sorry. RNDR. You guys heard of RNDR? I have. Render token. Leave their distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. I forgot that they did that. Yeah, this could be big. It will be big actually, but the missing GPU network scalability, a better use for GPU power. See, a better use for GPU power, I feel like to be over $111 million, they have to have something that's actually feasible and usable. If this was any lower, I probably would not. I just haven't done enough research in them. I'm definitely going to write them down, though, for sure. I want to look into them. Because being able to do that could be very big in the future. There we go. Yeah, they have a large team as well. That's great to see. I need to check into them, but yeah, this looks really good. I'm not sure. I'm not sure when's the last time I looked into them, but that looks good, man. That looks good. GPU power is very important, guys. The chart for SafeMoon Galaxy is glitched on CoinMarketCap. All right, I'll look into it again. Whatever. All right, ShopX, it's still extremely low. They're going to be very, very undervalued as of right now. They have NFTs with in the e-commerce industry through Polkadot. Polkadot is, I believe, locking around 10 to 20% of their tokens, but that's why you see their circulating supply is so high. It probably would be around 30% circulating supply, which is 20 or 25% around that. But I do own some. I have been buying into this one for a long-term hold. I do see them going around at least two figures by the end of the year. All right. What else? Algorand, yeah, I love Algorand, and there's really nothing not to like about them. I just, I've made profits off them already, but I don't currently hold some. I was gonna buy some during this dip. I never ended up doing that. Basically, they're building a different type of economy. They're gonna be part of the new DeFi industry. They're really bullish in my opinion. Let me look them up. I believe they're probably around 2 or 3 billion market cap. Yeah, they're top 40. I love Algorand, but don't currently own some as of now. This is my problem. They're fully diluted market cap, right? around 12 billion. You guys really need to look out for that with this one. It will 2 to 3x for sure, but getting to the stage where they have that much of funds in crypto, I don't see it doing more than that. Well, it's unique, guys. It's very unique. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, it's very unique, guys. Their blockchain's not something that's not something that's used in any other company or any other platform. I probably should hold some algo. You're right. I mean, I probably should. I'm not sure about the circulating supply problem. ZCX, going to be a very large DEX platform. Very slept on, guys. This is very slept on. This came out. I was talking about it for a while. This is going to be one of the largest DEX platforms. One of the best IDOs as well of this year. Okay, without a doubt. Just wait for them to start heating up. Wait for them to start releasing information in the next month to 3 months. They do have quite a lot coming out. I don't want to talk to someone in the Safe Moon community. I'm not into doing that. Can you comment on ERSDL and 1inch? Yeah, I'm more bullish on ERSDL, their flash loans, and the fact of what they're doing in the DeFi industry is something that's one of a kind, and they're extremely undervalued. And you see that they're up 20% today. They were pumping yesterday. They were pumping the day before. They're just on an upwards trajectory. I would say definitely hold some ERSDL more than 1inch. I would really suggest that. Yeah, but they're finally getting the attention they deserve. I found this one fairly early, guys. Not trying to flex on that, but this one's very good. This one's very good. Yeah, UBX is taking off. We've been talking about UBX for a while. I think you guys should be up by now. It went down like 50% or 60%. Or it went down during the crash. Let's see where it's up now. It's probably up around 95%. I've looked at this one a lot. I kept on accumulating more, guys. Yeah, they're up 93% again. I have so many. I have like 4 monitors with like 30 tabs open. Probably it'd be good if I close these. This is probably why you guys are experiencing glitching. All right, there goes one. There's one monitor good to go. Sorry, guys. All right. Probably gonna be better now. Let me know if that's better. Oh, 0x. I'll show you 0x. ZRX. They're a DeFi liquidity type of program, I guess you can say. Yeah, they dropped off a lot since this dip. They're almost down 100 or 50%. Probably see them pump back up. Probably do. Let me check this again. Yeah, that's not bad of a recovery. I mean, people having faith in this one. I'm not currently invested into ZRX. They do have what do they have? Let's check. Best in class performance. There's a lot of response times that are faster than that. Just saying. Or that are bigger than them, that are faster than that. Swap tokens with a few lines of code. It's a good idea, but this needs to be simpler. I mean, this is pretty simple, but you have to realize that there's a lot of people out there that do not know how to write really any type of code. I mean, they could set this up easier. Yeah, I would say this one's could be pretty decent. But I'm not too familiar with them, and I know a few of their competitors are probably going to be ahead of them for a while. I don't see them doing anything spectacular. Hollow pump. Yeah, Hollow, BTT, and AR are all going to be bullish, guys. They're all in the storage file sharing space, and you guys are going to see that go up. All right. I would say Solana's on a dip. Yeah, let's check. I know I just closed out of like 30 tabs in my did I stop lagging? The problem is I have well, I used to have 6 monitors. 2 of them fell last night, RIP, but I'll keep a bunch of tabs open on them, and it slows down my PC quite a lot. It's hard to tell if Solana, yeah, I mean, look at this retracement. Look at this retracement. This is it compared to Bitcoin, though, just saying. I'll probably do you're probably buying with USDT. I really recommend buying with Bitcoin, especially with the time we're in right now, on the perpetual market. We'll see. Yeah, not as big of a retracement. I need to really check. It's hard to give advice on this, really. It really is. Because the thing is right now is I do see a retracement coming with Bitcoin, maybe a 2,000 retracement, but you would need to buy around then. And that's gonna be my advice for any of you guys trying to buy in right now. But there are some things right now that I would just dollar cost average. You can dollar cost average into it. It wouldn't be the worst idea ever. But there's probably gonna be a retracement. Bitcoin went up around 7%, so. Exit strategies for Matic. So what I would do with Matic, right, is you have to understand that the Polygon ecosystem is going to continue to grow, and I do not understand why it's only at 2.7 billion market cap right now. They do have 50% of their circulating supply, so it's around 5.4 billion. It's fully diluted, but they really should be their market cap should be around, I would say, 5 billion, 5 to 7 billion, for them to be really where I think they're valued at. I'm probably going to be taking around 50% of my profits nonetheless, just to put some of these profits into these smaller caps and these mid caps, because I think they'll have more potential in the short term. But I really do recommend, if you do not want to be stressed out, you can hold this one long term. It's not a bad hold long term. I'm going to be keeping at least 50% when I pull out. My price target to pull out on Matic is 60 cents, so I'm almost there. But yeah, gonna be pulling out around then. Definitely hold this one long term though. I'm not saying sell it all. I'm gonna sell 50% of what I have. There's no best coin to invest in right now. You can't really pinpoint one that's gonna be the best. Dent's popping off as well. I've went over VRA multiple times. Let's see, they're probably up 20%, I think. They were up 20%. Yeah, they're up 26% now. This is literally what happens in every sort of dip, guys. You see these dips, and then everything starts to build back up again. Right when these high caps start to sell off, you guys see this money being funneled back in. And like I said, the stuff that's coming out with VRA is going to be absolutely glorious, guys. Very bullish on VRA. I'm not currently staking them, but I have been invested in them for a while. I did staking when it was when you got more APY from staking. I believe it's at like 20% right now. Do I invest in the coins that have 15 to 50 million market cap? Yeah. I try and pull out of them though, when there's dips, just because it doesn't really matter. Like, yeah, I'll go down 30% on some of them, but they're not going to go up in the short term if I don't pull them out. I'd rather pull out those small caps and then put them into some large caps to get some gains on that. Very bullish on Woo. I'm actually gonna see where they're at right now. I've been invested in Woo for a while. I love their exchange. I love their exchange. And I love their community as well. The Woo community is funny. Don't invest for a community, guys. Don't invest for a community. Unless it's actually, well, I mean, just don't invest based off of only a community. Yeah, but their trading or their centralized exchange offers 0 commission. You guys can invest through bridges, and you guys get liquidity as well. So love that about Woo. That's what really separates them apart from others. All right, I'll go over APL. Apollo just came out with something. I'm trying to look and find it. I just saw it. Or they got a date for it. They're down today though. They're a good long-term hold. There was some a sketch that went on in the beginning of their company, but they did come out and address it, and that is in its past, in its near. But I think this is making investors a little wary. But I do still believe in their what they got coming out. Yeah, they have really good transaction time and speed. Undervalued just because of that one aspect that I talked about. Yeah, Matic is pumped up. Matic's pumped up. I do expect a little retracement. Yeah, Monero is going to be pumping. Oh, I like this one other privacy coin. There's another privacy coin that I like. I think it's XHZ maybe, something along those lines. But yeah, Monero will be good. My opinion on charity coins, I've said it a lot, but a lot of these charity coins can be released through regular finance, through the regular industry. Anytime you see anyone trying to release charity coins through through this normal type of industry, I mean through crypto, they're trying to make money or it's a scam. There was a lot of charity coins that were scamming in 2017, and this was during the bull run, and now we have a bull run, and now people are scamming again with charity coins. They're releasing a game like Subway Surfers. You guys gotta understand. What's the trading volume? Yeah, this is super low, man. I don't see that being that big at all. Just because they're releasing one game like that, and you could earn crypto, does not mean it's gonna be big. There's a lot of games that have, or a lot of platforms that have been doing that type of attack or that type of use case or whatever, and it's never panned out good. There's been a lot of games where you can earn crypto, and none of them have really been super successful in the past. Exit strategy on UBX, just sell every time it goes up 100%. Sell like 50%. I would not invest in Bondly right now. They are a good project, but if you really like NFTs and you like collectibles, I get investing into Bondly. But if you'd rather invest into something to make gains, I would not advise Bondly, just because they are at a dip right now, and they probably will get a Binance listing very soon. They were talking about it, but I'm not sure when that's going to come. All right, I got it. Do I know Zill? Yeah, I do know Zill. It's a mineable smart contracts payment solution, I guess you could say. I'll look up how much they're up. They are a pretty decent company. They remind me of OX. I just talked about OX not too long ago. Yeah, they're up 10%. They had a pretty large dip. Look at that surge. Pretty large dips. Yeah, they're pretty strong to recover from dips like that. I'm not the biggest bull on them, but like I said, they're not bad. All right, let me trade this. Make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Any new people? All right. Sorry about that. Exit strategies, it all depends on your portfolio size. I would recommend figuring out how much I would say for smaller portfolios, definitely take profits every 50%. Or I mean, for bigger portfolios, take your profits every 50 to 100%. With these small caps, with larger portfolios, do that. Smaller portfolios, probably take your profits every 100% or 80%, around that. Can't do 50%. I wouldn't recommend that. It really just matters. I got a lot of dislikes from we had a Safe Moon army join in here. Exit strategy for VRA. Probably wait for 1 or 2x and do the same thing. Probably pull out 50%. That's why I don't stake them. Unitrust, yeah, Unitrust wallet, you take your UT key. I think that's the Unitrust wallet, right? Yeah. I'm very bullish on UTK. Their wallet is making it very simple. It's very easy to use. I have used them before. Extremely simple. Extremely simple. I am invested into them. Bounced back very, very accordingly. Very great. Is the Rune news tomorrow? I'm not sure. I'll need to check. I think there's news. I'm not 100% sure when it's gonna happen, but I know they're gonna have some Dex news. The site's laggy. I remember that. They need to fix your site up. Holding them down. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Went over basically everything that we need to go to. We got Bitcoin still doing great right now. Bitcoin's doing good. I'm gonna post a video tonight and just summarize everything, and we'll be able to figure out what to do from here. And I need to do some more researching. Probably gonna do that off stream for sure. But have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. Hit the like button, and have a great one.